Good morning and welcome to our last full day on Disney. But we are not sad because we are leaving Disney tomorrow and heading over to Portofino Bay on the Universal Resort for 3 nights. So we're really excited for that. We had a really late night yesterday celebrating Daisy's birthday. So today we are keeping it super chilled. It is now 25 past 11. It's been a real Cinderella story this morning here. We have done the washing, we have done the drying, we've done some ironing, the kids have had a nice long lay-in, and we are going to spend the morning at the pool. Luke's still in bed, funnily enough, so he's going to meet us down there. So we're going to spend the morning in the pool, might get a bit of lunch there, and then we are heading over to Epcot very briefly because Daisy wants to get a couple of bits from the French Pavilion because she absolutely adores Ratatouille. And the other reason we're doing Epcot, when Daisy is a little bit older, she wants to do the CRP program, which is where you go over to America and work in in the UK Pavilion. And what are we doing this morning, Daisy?
I'm going to drop in some Percy Pigs to all the people who work in the pavilion.
Yeah.
Because they can't put that over here.
Yeah. So, just in case anyone is working at the UK Pavilion, if they were feeling homesick or anything, we thought it'd be quite a nice thing to take a real taste from home. Percy Pigs you can't get over here, and they are absolutely delicious. So we're going to pop those over to the pavilion and then head over to Disney Springs for our last evening. So we are just about to head down to the pool. Yeah. So this is look at our lovely pool. Sorry about the kids. How was your lunch?
Very nice.
Yeah, the food here is really good. Yeah, it's called the Mara here, which is the quick serve, and the food is really good. Sandwiches are good. Luke had like a hot beef sandwich, which was really good.
I had a turkey sandwich, which was just about the size of the book, really.
Yeah.
It's huge, but really tasty, really nice. Yeah, it's really nice here.
Yeah, it's lovely. It doesn't get too busy, and yeah, I think we'll head back to the room, get sorted. Right, nice little afternoon by the pool.
Yeah, it's lovely.
We're gonna head back, get scrubbed up, head over to Epcot. Oh, hi. Another beautiful day.
Lovely, really hot.
Yeah, it's lovely. Right, so we're heading to get the bus. Have you got the Percy Pigs?
Yes.
That is a very nice bag, by the way. Let's have a look. Well done, good job. And what's out the window?
Grass.
I thought that was a lion over there, but it's a big orangey rock.
I don't think that the lions roam free with the zebras and the
Yeah, that probably wouldn't end well.
It wouldn't end well.
Anything out that day? Oh yeah, some cattle out there.
Gazelles.
Right, lead on girls. So we're going to get the bus to Hollywood Studios and then the Skyliner across to Epcot. So we are currently on one of the new Disney buses. We're on a Daisy one. Hey! Not only do they have Wi-Fi, which is pretty decent, they've also got charging points for your phones. So if you're low on juice, you can just charge your phone up on the way to the park. So a nice little bus journey. We're now at Hollywood Studios. Not going in though, because we're going to hop on the Skyline to take us over to Epcot. But I think this is my favourite looking park. I love all the styling, I love everything about it. Private Skyliner, ladies.
Nice little private, yeah.
Stick with me, welcome to the High Life.
It's a bit windy.
Ooh. What I really want to know is what is in this case? What do you think's in it?
I think there's a hammer.
Beep beep. What's that doing? Flying cars?
Flying cars, Harry Potter.
You reckon there's a
I reckon
hammer?
there's a hammer. There's probably a bit of rope. Probably some carabiners.
What do you think's in it?
Definitely a first aid kit.
Maybe a few granola bars.
Yeah, some water in case you get stranded in it for any length of time.
Yeah.
Maybe a blanket?
Yep.
Or a magnet. Everything can be solved with a giant magnet.
I think definitely a hammer. First aid kit. I think that's it.
Oh, I obviously think there's a first aid kit in there.
Yeah.
But I do think you'd have some more Like, if you had a rope.
I'm telling you now, that's not a very big case. There is not enough rope to abseil down there.
Right,
or
also,
like a little pamphlet, how to abseil.
Yes, for the beginner.
I can abseil.
Look, just because you did a PGL. Just asked the attendant what was in the case. He reckons candy bars, water. He said ice.
Medical supplies for people that may have diabetes and need insulin and things like that.
Yeah, he didn't seem 100% sure. I'm going to ask someone else.
Like, get in the middle of us. Like,
It won't matter if it's off.
yeah, but it's freaking us out. It's a bit weird.
Also, when I asked the guy about what was in the case,
We are about to...
Also, when I asked the guy what was in the cases, I said, what, no hammer? And he's like, no, I don't think. Also, when I asked the guy, is there a hammer in that case? He said, no, I don't think so. So I don't think he really knew what he was going on about. I'm going to ask someone else.
No, don't.
I am.
There's a hammer in there.
There's definitely going to be a hammer in there. So we're in an unwrapped one at the moment. I like the unwrapped ones the most.
I do, actually.
Yeah, Caribbean Beach looks really cool.
Come to this place of joy, hope and friendship. Welcome.
And there's a look at the Ratatouille construction. I am well excited for that ride.
Not as excited as Daisy. I'm sorry, I'm thinking about ice cream.
Right, I just asked the lady what's in the thing, in the case. She answered me straight away, didn't even blink. Cooling towels, water, glow sticks, no hammer.
You're going to bring your own hammer
It's
now.
funny you should say glow sticks. There was a glow stick on the floor in that one we just went in. And
No way.
I was like, why is there a glow stick on the floor?
People raving in the Skyliner, that's why. Also, if they're putting glow sticks in there, I want a high vis, a whistle and some white gloves. Boop, 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 boop.
Oh yeah, no, I saw a mirror there.
The main man is out. So we're all in the park. We've gone through security, gone through the ticket bit and entered via International Gateway. We are now finally dropping off the Percy Pigs.
Yes, we are.
And we've tried to bring these Percy Pigs in every day, but every day we forgot. Every time we've been to Epcot, we've forgotten.
No,
so we're gonna
it wasn't
go.
we forgot, I forgot.
So we're going to go and find somebody. We won't know these people, but we just thought it might be a taste of home for them. So we just dropped the Percy Pigs off at the pavilion.
And Dad started crying again.
Did not start crying. There were 3 lovely girls there.
It's a bit emotional.
And they were all like, oh, you've made our day.
Yeah.
It was really lovely to think we've done that.
Yeah. And especially because Daisy's going to do the
Yeah.
CRP, wants to do the
hopefully,
CRP.
yeah.
And they all lit up and it was just a bit.
Look, he's doing it again. He's going off. Going off.
It's a bit
We're a soft old bunch here, and some sort of allergy must be playing up. Right, so that's done. If you are coming over here, drop something from England off there, like 4 bags of Percy Pigs.
That's what
Made
we've
their
done.
day, made
Yeah.
them smile. They were
Yeah.
looking hot and bothered and obviously, doing their job. And
Yeah.
their reaction when we told them what was in there was like, they were so
Yeah,
excited.
it was so
yeah,
lovely.
it's really nice.
Especially M&S, bit of a delicacy out here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not delicacy, it's really hard to find.
Yeah.
Wrong word.
Right, moving on.
Right.
Can I see your mug, please? Bit slower. What is it? You've turned into your brother. Messi.
Yeah.
We were here recently, weren't we?
Yeah.
Last night, in fact. Same again.
Yeah. Maybe different flavour. Super.
So once again, I went full Del Boy on my French, blew everybody away. This is the same as yesterday, however slightly different flavour. What flavour is it? What flavour is it?
It's cold, my teeth. Coconut white chocolate.
How is it?
It's really good.
How's it compared to the vanilla from yesterday?
They're very similar. I think it's rude. I don't know. I like them both the same, I think. Maybe vanilla a tiny bit more, but they're both amazing.
So this French pavilion is absolutely fantastic. I've got two very happy girls here.
I really want some of that.
Yeah, I know you're not allowed that though, because you're not allowed it.
Get arrested.
You got your ice cream sandwich though, which is way better. A cheeky Veuve Clicquot.
Don't mind if I do.
Don't mind if I don't. So it's just coming up for 5:15. We're about to ride our last ride in Disney for this trip, which is Spaceship Earth.
Which is nice because it's going to get refurbed next year, so this is the last chance we'll get to ride it for a bit.
Oh, good shout.
Yeah.
And then we're
goodbye.
And then we're going to head over to Disney Springs to meet up with Luke.
69 to somewhere else. Our spaceship Earth. Go to the future, or should I say, your future.
So that's it, our last park of this trip. Yeah, nice to go out on a bit of a high, and that's our last ever ride on that version of Spaceship Earth. It's all being refurbed. We're off to Disney Springs to meet up with Luke and for some dinner. Bye! So as it's gone 4 o'clock, we're able to get a Disney bus from Epcot to Disney Springs, which we've never actually done before.
No, I think Daisy has when Luke and she have done a park and then sort of met us there. But we've not actually done it, so this is going to be a first.
Yeah, it's going to be a first. Probably won't be exciting, but it definitely won't be exciting. But first,
it's a Disney bus, you know, whatever.
So the girls are doing a bit of shopping. Luke is on the bus from the resort to Disney Springs, and I am off to the Hangar Bar to Bagsy a table. So Luke and I are sat at our favourite bar, listening to some lovely music, waiting for the girls. How are them wings?
Must be too much so far this holiday.
Yeah, wings at Hangar Bar. Winner, winner. Oh, winner, winner. Chicken dinner.
Very nice.
Thanks. We've had some really yummy wings.
Yum, 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 yum.
So that's like our pre-warm-up. The music is great here as well. And now we're off to Blaze.
Love Blaze. So, good night of Nom.
Yes.
Very nice.
Slight change of plan. Blaze is heaving. Literally 20 people or 20 couples queuing out the door. So we're on the prowl for somewhere to eat. So it's heaving. It is 8:10 on a Tuesday evening, and we were kind of struggling for somewhere to eat. But we found one of our favourite places, had plenty of availability to sit outside, which is what we like.
Slap on your swat.
Slap on your beard. We are at Splitsville. There's live music a couple of feet away, and we are having a great time. So here we are. Food is out. I went for the chopped salad. Tracy went
I've
for
got
the
California Crunch, which is a California roll with some sort of crunchy stuff on top.
Nice. What did you go for, Daiso?
Volcano rolls, it's like crab.
What did you go for?
The Galaxy Roll, Keith. Not to be confused with Galaxy's Edge. It's actually sushi, not Star Wars.
Are you alright?
Oh, I didn't eat all of that. I just breathed down my nose. I only had a bit. My context, go on. Tell us the story, Keith.
So, accidentally, Tracy inadvertently ate a massive dollop of wasabi.
Well, yeah, well, she ate the whole dollop.
So Luke's just road tested like about a third of the amount that Daisy.
That was it.
I probably had a quarter of that, and I'm a lot better with hot food than Mum is.
Yeah. So halfway through her sushi, she's like, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, there was a full-on meltdown.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was not good. My bit of sushi fell on my plate, landed the wasabi, which I hadn't realised. I then picked it up and then ate it, and I was like, oh my god, my face exploded. It was like pain.
But it is delicious.
Now the
Everything's
wasabi
great.
is gone, the rest of it's lovely.
Also here at Disney Springs is the world's biggest Amazon dot. So that's it, we are leaving Disney Springs for the last time this trip. So that's it, we are leaving Disney Springs for the last time this trip.
I know, it's sad. Bye Disney, but you've been great, it's been a blast.
And yeah, heading back to the room now because we check out of Animal Kingdom tomorrow and head over to Universal. Cracking meal at Splitsville this evening. Really, really good, great value, great service, food was really good. But that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching.
Cheers.
Cheers.